So at the Pomona swap meet today, we walked up on this 28 Ford that was meticulously maintained and restored. And in the bed of it, the gentleman had the smallest little fold-up mini bike that I've ever seen. It looked like a two-stroke motor, kickstart, and he bought it from some gentleman at a Chino airport, I believe he said, and it's lived its entire life at that airport, and it's even plated. We spoke to the man that owns it now. It has a horn, blinkers, stoplights, and a headlight, and it also has a license plate. So I'll show you the photos here and enjoy.